Hello,
Hi.
welcome to our vlog.
Vlog.
So, we're here today to share with you some experience or memory about gardening. First time that we have a lot of garden work like this one.
Yeah.
6 months is totally very long, extremely hard for us.
Yeah.
We went through until this season is 2 seasons now. From spring,
Yeah.
we're still in the summer. We didn't start from
Right.
winter. We
Yeah.
start from spring,
Yeah.
late spring. Yeah. And now it's midsummer. How do you feel?
I feel like it's 2 years already. It's a lot of work. Yeah, I mean, even after a long day,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, doing it at 8 o'clock, still shining, still sweating. We feel it. It's raw feelings. Nothing like, oh, yay, it's beautiful, and that's it. It's a lot. Mosquito bite, you can feel it too.
A lot of slug in spring.
Yeah,
Mhm.
just in spring, not even now.
Yeah. But in spring it's like a nightmare because they eat everything from the small one to the big one, the new one to the old one. Even spring onion, they eat a lot.
Yeah, they don't scared of anything at all. It's just,
For our flowers and vegetables.
what do you like the most so far? Most satisfaction?
Harvesting.
Yo, yeah. Is there any particular vegetable or you like or flowers?
Never grow sweet charge. I never grow summer squash before. I never grow beefsteak tomato. Oh, only vegetable that have a lot of experience is tomato. I used to plant like 30, 40 tomato, all kind of tomato from cherry tomato to big one. I mean, I didn't do nothing and it just grow, have fruit. I should harvest them. So easy to me. I love zucchini too.
Yeah, the raw zucchini is very sweet.
And I think I like tomatoes the most because we have a lot of different
Yeah,
kind
variety.
of beef steak, sun sugar, health cake, green bread,
Yeah,
rainbow, super sweet,
Roma.
Roma.
Yeah, a lot.
So
Wow, sound like a tomato dealer.
fan of tomato.
We ate a lot of tomato actually.
Yeah, and it gave me opportunity to make some Italian food
Yeah, you did a
Yeah.
very creative style.
because we have almost all kind of herbs like basil, thyme, rosemary.
We love all of our herbs too. Yeah, that's actually my favorite. First, I like the other kind of basil, not this Western type basil. This basil is actually good. I mean, it grew on me. I like it better every day.
Actually, we buy mixed seed different kind. I never seen the purple basil in any farm market until now.
Good.
It's good.
I don't know. You guys watch other videos of us. In one video, there was a misunderstanding. They said said that I really like cucumber flowers, the male one. I want to clarify that details. I like cucumber flowers because they produce fruit, and I really like cucumbers. And now cucumber are the best. I mean, maybe I'm biased, but it tastes the best. It's so sweet, so crunchy. Like any size. It's
No
good.
bitter at all.
Oh, not at all.
Crunchy, just like thinking about human.
Part of doing an organic garden is you need to feed them, compost, just rewater them. We try to make sure that they don't get bruised or hurt because we try to prevent all kind of disease, insects or other things, or the birds brought to the trees, and we basically couldn't do much. We did our best to take care of the plants, and that's time.
Yeah, we bought the nest from IQ. It's actually for umbrella.
When we cut it
Yeah,
into
we
pieces.
cut it in pieces, and it's kind of work. Yeah, it's black color, prevent sunlight, too much sunlight in the morning, especially in noon because we don't have any big tree. After 9 o'clock until 5 p.m. it has a lot of sunlight here. It's very hot,
Yeah.
no shade at all. So the one thing that we very grateful that we bought that net, use it for our garden because it saved 20, 30 plants' life.
Right. It's help.
Yeah,
it's very helpful.
really help.
Yeah.
And we try to make the compost. None of us likes the smelling of it, especially me that I have very sensitive nose. I can smell everything near around me. So we didn't make the compost like usual way. The way that we did it is we make a deep hole inside a raised bed and put a lot of vegetables, kitchen waste in the
Green
hole.
waste, yeah.
And we put some ash from the fireplace in winter, right? Yeah. Sometimes we put mulch in it because we have very clay soil in our garden. So we really want to improve our soil.
Yeah.
So we just put a lot of organic things in the soil.
Yeah.
And
cover
it with our soil, maybe the soil that we bought. And we wait 1 week.
Right.
1 or 2 in cold weather and maybe just 3 or 5 days in hot weather. And actually we put a lot of what are you talking? We mix topsoil, spread it all over our raised bed and put bigger plants on it. And it's grown. Yeah, it's beautiful. See our sunspot is big more than our face.
Right.
3 of them.
What is one good advice you want to give everybody about gardening?
Don't ever do gardening alone. It's a really hard work.
Teach me how to treat the tree, the plants, the tiny seedling. Very patient, please be patient.
That's all.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. We'll see you next. Oh, thank you.
My favorite flowers, by the way.
Radish.
Edible flowers.